Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Q50. We end up installing the shock sensor added to the factory alarm system. What they're stealing in these cars are rims and tires and airbags. The way the shock works right now from factory, you can beat on this whole car with a baseball bat and nothing's going to happen. Only if the door's open. Everybody knows that, so they're not going to open the door. They're going to break the window and jump in. By adding the shock sensor to it, if anybody walks up and they try to bust out the lock nut locks, which I recommend anybody who has these type of cars to buy a 2 or 3 per tire, that's not going to stop them, because there's a tool that they install here and they hammer it in by pressure and retract them out. But it will definitely delay them, and my shock sensor kit will love you because it will observe the impact and fire off the factory alarm. To shut it off, you just hit unlock and that will turn it off. And it will also protect your glass. If anybody tries to bust out a window here, even bust out the keyhole, it will fire off the alarm. The kit prevents anybody from busting, from being able to turn off your factory alarm by disabling the key switch that disables the factory alarm, but the kit does the bypass, so if that will no longer work for them, if they try to bust out the keyhole, their factory alarm will go off. Shock sensor should pick up the impact too. I'm waiting for the factory alarm to arm. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the car. This shock sensor upgrade was installed here in this 2019 Q50. Thank you for watching this video.